Okay, let's get started. First, we're going to start by repurposing these snowman ornaments that I found at a fall bazaar. We're going to go ahead and cover them with white chalk paint. Next, you're going to need 4 of the 8x10 picture frames from Dollar Tree. You're going to want to remove the glass and the little tabs on the sides and hot glue the glass in. Then you're going to want to hot glue all of the frames together to form your square. Now we're going to go ahead and cut out a piece of the foam board that I also purchased from Dollar Tree. And now we're going to apply some lights into the foam board. A pencil worked really well to poke the hole. It was just about the right size as the tip of the lights. You can put these lights in any direction that you like. I just thought I'd do kind of a curvy pattern. Now you want to take one of the automotive cloths, also from the Dollar Tree. I also forgot to mention that I did take and just very gently poke the tip of the lights right up through the cloth. And they seem to do that very easily. And I'm going to go ahead and hot glue my trees and my snowmen in. Now we're going to use a little Epsom salt for our snow. Now we're going to take some of our little foam snowflakes. And what we're going to do here is we're going to apply one to the inside and then try to match it up as close as possible to the outside. Now we're going to go ahead and add some of the silver snowflake stickers. And once again, all of these items were purchased from Dollar Tree. We have our burlap ribbon with the lace. I decided just to add the one bow over to the side and add a few sprigs of the greenery and a couple of the little flowers, and also a few pine cones. Now we're ready to add some nautical rope around the bottom. I went ahead and did 2 layers of the nautical rope around the bottom. You could do more if you like. Now we're just going to glue a few pieces around the top rim. And there we go. What a beautiful little farmhouse winter scene. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If so, would you please like and subscribe and hit the bell if you'd like to be notified for more tutorials like this. See you next time.